Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a beginner-friendly trading tip. Making your first $100 in crypto isn't about luck. It's about strategy, risk management, and using the right tools available to US traders. Welcome to Smartino Fx, where we break down crypto and trading for everyday Americans. In today's video, we're diving into Crypto Trading 101, how to make your first $100, US edition. If you're just starting out and want to make your first real profit in crypto, safely and legally in the US, this guide is for you. Whether you're using Coinbase, Kraken, or a mobile app like Crypto.com, I'll show you how to start small, stay safe, and scale up. And first, you need to pick a regulated crypto exchange that works in the US. Top options: Coinbase, Kraken, Binance.us, Crypto.com. Look for low fees, strong security, beginner-friendly interface. Use limit orders, not market orders, to avoid overpaying on trades. Tip: sign up with a referral link and you might get free crypto to start with. Don't jump into risky coins right away. Start with $50 to $100 using USD or stablecoins like USDC. Pick coins with strong fundamentals. Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, or Solana, SOL, are great starting points. Remember, start small. Your goal is consistent small gains, not a moonshot. Use these beginner-friendly trading methods. Buy the dip. Wait for a small price drop and buy in low. Scalp trading. Make quick 1-3% gains, then cash out. Dollar cost averaging. Buy small amounts over time, reducing risk. Use built-in charts or free tools like TradingView to time your entries. Pro tip: set a take profit and stop loss to control risk. Once you make $10 or $20 in profit, don't withdraw yet. Reinvest it. Turn small wins into $100 by compounding. Example: $25, $40, $65, $100. Use low-fee exchanges to keep more of your gains. Avoid meme coins or random pump and dumps. The key is consistency over hype. Bonus tip: report crypto gains on your US taxes. Apps like CoinTracker can help. Avoid high-leverage trading if you're a beginner. Stay away from unregulated exchanges not allowed in the US. Think long-term. Learn first, earn second. And that's how you can make your first $100 in crypto trading, the smart and legal way in the US. You don't need a lot of money to get started, just the right strategy and mindset. Like this video if you learned something. Comment below: have you made your first $100 in crypto yet? Subscribe to Smartino Fx for more beginner guides, trading tips, and US-based crypto content. This is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.